just completed an El Capitan tier build on a Sprinter 170 Extended. This van has so many off-road upgrades. Let's get into it. Starting with the light package. The light bar is from Rigid. This is a 50-inch light bar. It's a part of their Radiant series with the backlighting option. We've got dual mounted Rigid Adapt XPs mounted to the front bumper. These lights have a GPS feature built into them. It will map out where you are, and they will narrow down or extend based on the GPS of your location. Mounted in the front bumper are the Baja Squadrons. These are a floodlight and a spotlight in 2-in-1. This gorgeous front bumper is from Flatline. I love the way that it wraps around, accentuating the curve of the van. It's super rugged and durable. Mounted inside of it is the Evo 12S winch from Warren. Mounted at the front is the Flatline Fairlead. Moving around the side. This van is equipped with the King Shock lift kit, as well as the Agile big brakes. The customer also opted for the upgraded rims and wheels. Black Rhino Stadiums with the Ridge grapplers mounted to that. Moving along, this is the wheel wrap ladder from Flatline. I love how sleek this ladder is. It's made out of aluminum. It's very light but extremely durable. The wheel wrap is super cool. It was designed to go on a Mercedes and exactly mirrors the wheel well. Super sleek look. This is going to give you access to the rooftop if you need to clean off your solar panels, mount gear to the top, or if you just want to hang out on top of your van. This van is equipped with 400 watts of solar mounted to the roof rack, as well as a Starlink and a Max Air fan mounted into the roof of the van. These rocker lockers really are beauty meeting function. They're super sleek, easy to open. The accessory panels inside are great for mounting gear. You can hang a trash bag from these little hooks. And of course, they have a beer opener on them. Moving around the back. Up top, we've got 2 mounted Rigid lights. These are the 3-inch DSS pod lights. And mounted into the rear bumper, the Baja Design projection style reverse lights. This super sleek tire carrier is from Flatline. This rear door platform and the gearbox are also from Flatline. I love this box. It opens up super easy. It's got the MOLLE panels on the exterior and the interior for mounting gear. In the garage, electrical components on the driver's side. Water components on the passenger side, as well as the top portion of the AC unit. The pull-out trays are from Flatline. I love these. They're super durable. They're rated up to 500 pounds. They make it super easy to access gear in the back of your van. They were designed for bikes. That's why they have the tie-down capabilities on the front and the back is to strap in your bike. I love seeing customers use these as grill stations, having the grill and the prep area here. These are a great product. All right. The awning is from Nomadic Cooling. It has the LED light strips at the end and at the base. The side steps on the passenger and driver side are from Flatline. I am fangirling so hard about this detail. This is the Sprinter van step extension from Flatline. This looks so sleek, so clean. It's got the cubby cut out down here. You can put extra gear in there or kick off your dirty shoes. Stepping into the van. Scopema swivel seats on the driver and passenger side. The ever versatile Lagoon table. We build this with a fold-out table style, giving you as much table space as you need with the drink holder in the center. The headliner shelf is from Flatline. This beautiful wood slat ceiling. These wood slats go all the way down the van with the LED lights mounted in between them. It's a super clean, super sleek look. They're mounted to an acoustic grade material, helping with noise dampening and insulation. In the overhead cabinet, you'll find the router for the Starlink as well as the control panel. A built-in microwave. Below the microwave is the interface for the AC unit. This AC unit is the Icebox. It's from Cruise and Comfort. It has heat, cool, and auto modes. Super sleek interface. The customer opted for this AC unit. We showed it to you in the back. It's mounted in the rear of the van as well as underneath so that more of the rooftop space can be utilized for solar. This tiled shower is absolutely gorgeous. The Lavio dry flush is inside of the shower. Tons of storage in here. We've got the dual floor-to-ceiling closets with the shelves up top and then garment hanging down below. These are the vent ports for the AC unit. Next we have a super plush memory foam mattress. This is a queen size bed in here. Both sides of the bed have the pop-out flares from Van Speed. That's going to give you 6 additional interior inches on the driver's side and 5.5 on the passenger side. There's a 32-inch TV mounted to a swivel. Tons of storage space below the counter. I love the small detail of the LED lights going underneath the counter. These counters are a beautiful acacia butcher block. Built into that is a double induction cooktop, a stainless steel sink with potable water, and the extended countertop. Thank you for joining me on this week's Van Tour Tuesday. We will see you next week.